awesome trial. It's been easy. We're doing over 2,000 units a week. The people who use it love it, the community loves it, kids love using it. Well, we're giving a little bit of money back to 4 schools or 4 community groups every couple of months. We're allowing the free money. It's been a winner, I reckon.
I really, really like it. It's like, I use it all the time and yeah, I love it. I love the concept.
Hoping there's other supermarket to just follow this idea.
And even other places